What's up, guys? It's me, Packy from the house, and today we are here for the final day of the Queens. This is our Queens wrap-up video. Madison needs to go like 100 over, and then we're sticking around. Otherwise, we're leaving here a little early. Fingers crossed for Madison. Hopefully she bowls super well, but they look really tough on the fresh. I don't know if anyone's going really 100 over, but why not her, right? So, and we have a 60,000 subscriber giveaway. 60,000 subscriber giveaway. So be sure to stick along through the rest of the video to make sure you get the rules and how to enter that giveaway. So until then, and until I tell you guys the rules, don't forget, click that subscribe button. Let's get to bowling. So as I'm sitting here, I'm thinking of like two-handed bowling. Shayna Polhowski is the only girl I've seen out here that doesn't throw, or that, I mean, I think she throws a spare ball, but she's not throwing a spare ball right now, which I just kind of walked by, caught her that one shot that you guys see right here, and she's not throwing a spare ball, she's throwing a reactive ball at her spares, and I think she's the only woman who does that. So I want you guys down below, kind of just comment and let me know how many of you guys don't throw spare balls. What's your reasoning behind that? Because as a member of Team Spares, spares are just too important to give up that possible, you know, guaranteed 10, 11 pins that you get off that shot. So yeah, let me know if there's any other professional women that you guys know down below in the comments. Let me know if there's any other professional women that you guys know that don't use a spare ball. And until then, Team Spares. So through 2 games, she shot 182 and then 200. So decent start, just kind of pacing. She needs a huge back 3 here, which is tough to get when they're as hard as they are. And as the days go on, every time it feels like they oil the fresh. Every time they oil the fresh, it only gets flatter in the middle, slicker to the right, which is exactly what you saw with the A squad this morning. They got even harder. And now again, with the B squad bowling late, they double, they oiled, bowled, oiled right after. And they're just slicker to the right, even flatter in the middle part of the lane, so it just makes it really hard on these girls. So it's tougher as the week has gone on. It's only gotten harder, and hopefully she can battle back here and finish strong these back 3 games. But as of right now, the scores are low for everybody. So game 4 update, Madison is probably not going to make this cut. She can shoot 300, which would be a really cool way to end, but I think even with 300, she'd still be minus just a little too far outside the cut. So honestly, she bowled pretty well. I think if she was a little healthier and she wasn't coming off a couple injuries and she had more time to practice, she definitely would have bowled a little better. I know she won't make that excuse, but I'll make it for her. So game 5 coming up. Here we go. So that is all to wrap up this day's video. That was day 3 of the Queens, the final day at the Queens that we're going to be here. And I guess I forgot to mention our 60,000 subscriber giveaway. There's 2 rules. You have to, 1, be a subscriber of the channel, so don't forget, subscribe down below. And at 60,000 subscribers, we are going to be giving away a bowling ball as well as that signed piece of North Rock Lanes. So super cool. One of you guys is going to get a bowling ball. But to get that bowling ball, you're going to have to click that link and enter your email. That way you can receive an email. So you will not receive it down below in the comments like last video. That was just an absolute mess. So you will receive an email. We will email all of you guys the name of the winner when we hit 60,000 subscribers. So enter your email. We're going to email you. We're going to reach out to you guys by email to announce the winner of that bowling ball. So good luck to all you guys. Subscribe to the channel. And that was our final day at the Queens. Peace.